Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all on the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault collection review. So here is the thing, when I ordered this off the Morphe website, I had some issues. So when I first ordered this, I put my card information in and all that, and it didn't go through. Like, it said it was going through, and then it brought me back to the page, and then it said there was a problem, didn't go through, whatever. So then I retyped my card information again and it went through. But I never got an email that it went through. So I was a little confused. I was like, okay, am I gonna get 2 palettes? So I went on my bank account and Morphe actually charged me twice for the Vault palette, and I was like, you know what, this is perfect. I'm gonna do one in a giveaway, I'm gonna do a review on it, and it'll be great. So it comes in the mail and there's only one. So I emailed Morphe and I said, you know, I was charged twice, but I only got 1 palette. What's the deal here? And then they ended up giving me a refund for my $50 back. So I was really excited because I was going to do a giveaway on this palette, but turns out I was only sent one, and I really wanted to review this for you guys. So if you guys really want me to do a giveaway on this palette next time she relaunches it, I will get one for you guys. But I just really wanted to try it out for myself and do a review on it. So this is the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. It comes in this box and then they all kind of slide out here. This retails for $50, so it's $15 each palette, so you do get a deal if you get 4. Personally, I think that $15 a palette is a really good price. You do get a mirror in here and you do get 10 shades, so I think $15 is not a bad price for that at all. So I have no clue what look I want to do today, but I know I want to do a look with the Bling Boss palette because it does have like the purpley shades in it. This palette is a little bit more down my alley. I love doing purples, so I do want to play with this. Again, I have no clue what look I'm going to do. I might have to dip into some of the other palettes if this doesn't have shades that I'm looking for, but I have no clue what look I'm going to create. This is going to be a first impressions. I still have not even swatched these yet. I think I might insert clips here of all of each palette. I do have my foundation and powder on and also my brows, so I'm going to zoom you guys in and we are going to play with the Bling Boss palette. So this is what the palette looks like. Alright, so I'm going to dip in to this Hush Hush shade right here. It's like a kind of like pinky mauve. See a little bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy. I'm just going to tap that off here. I'm going to use this as my crease shade. So far, that blended out really nicely and it took no time at all. So I'm really happy about that shade. I'm just gonna clean up around the edges with a clean brush. So that is what that first shade looks like, you guys. It is really easy to blend out. I had no patchiness issues or anything like that. Looks really good. So I'm happy about that shade. Alright, so next I'm going to go into this Rockstar shade right here. It's this really pretty like purpley plum, and I'm just going to coat both sides of my bristles in that tap off any extra, and we're gonna go right into the crease with this. Ooh, that's pigmented. Oh my god. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush and just blend these edges here. And as of right now, you guys, I'm not having any like weird patchiness problems. And that was just like with the first dip in. Just gonna go in and add a little bit more here, because once you blend, you know, you're gonna lose some of that really bright pigment. It's always good to have a clean brush with you so that you can kind of go around the edges and really blend it without any extra like eyeshadow, because then it can start to get like muddy. Alright you guys, so that is what we're working with. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so the next shade I think I'm going to go into is Mystic, which is a fairly dark shade. It's this shade right here. It's like a really deep like wine color, so this could be scary. So I'm just gonna tap off as much excess, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick my brush in my crease and kind of wiggle it around, because I don't want this color to really take over a big part of my eye. I want to be able to kind of control where I'm placing it. And then I'm just gonna go and blend the edges. So I am gonna take that shade and I'm just gonna kind of also put this on like the outer portion of my eyelid. And kind of blend it into a V shape. So what I'm doing is mixing Rockstar and this Mystic shade, and then I'm just going to push this on the outer corner. And I'm also kind of bringing this into my crease. Going back in with that clean brush. With no product, I'm just gonna blend. So I'm really excited to work with some of these like shimmery shades. So I'm really liking this kind of ballsy shade. I think it looks so gorgeous. So that is what it looks like just with one little swatch on my finger. So what I'm going to do is take this color on a little kind of brush like this. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's kind of like a flat concealer brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip into this shade right here, Ballsy. And I'm hoping that if I spray this with my brush, it will go on really nicely. I might have to go in with my finger, but let's see how this applies. I'm scared. So I'm just gonna take that and just put this on my lid. Alright you guys, so that's what it applied like. I think it looks pretty good. Ooh, I really like the way this looks. Really, really like the way that looks, you guys. I'm going to take it with my finger now and I'm going to see if it gives a little bit more pigment. I really, really love that color. I think it's so pretty. So I'm just going to take my brush and just kind of tap this on the outer corner just to blend it. It's really easy to blend once you have the base down. So that is what it looks like. I think it looks so pretty. I really love this look so far. I do need to get a color to put on my brow bone. Do I dare go with VIP because that's like white. This VIP shade is like the only like highlight shade from any of the palettes that I could use. So that is what we are going to use. So I'm just gonna get that on my brush, tap off extra, and we're just gonna highlight with it. Whoa! Okay, that is really white. So I'm just really blending that because it is super intense. So as for fallout, I only have like a little bit of fallout on my face. Like this palette really does not have a lot of fallout, which is awesome. I'm gonna take that same VIP shade and I'm gonna plop this right in my inner corner. So I'm going to take this Bling Bling shade, Focus, and I'm just going to put that right on top of that white, just so it's not like as white. Alright, moving on to the lower lash. So what I want to do is take this eyeliner from Makeup Forever, and this is their Artist Color Pencil. This is in the color Versatile Violet. I'm going to put this in my waterline because it's like a really pretty purple. Actually goes really good with this look. So now we are going to smoke out the lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with that shade Rockstar, and I'm going to take this and press this right up against my waterline. And then I'm going to take that Hush Hush shade that we first used in the crease, and I'm going to put that right below just to really smoke this out. Alright, and then I want to go in with Gem because it is such a beautiful color right here. And I'm going to put that up against my lower lash line as well. Alright, you guys, so I think I like the way that this looks. I don't want to add too much. I am going to do some liner, but I don't think I'm going to do, I might do a wing, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to quickly line my eyes. Alright, you guys, so I just applied some mascara, and I'm just going to quickly finish the rest of my face, do my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, my lips, and I will be right back to give my final thoughts. Alright, you guys, so my overall thoughts so far on the palette that I used, I loved it. I didn't have any issues. I really love the look it created. It really makes my eyes pop. And the formula to me in that palette, I didn't have any issues. I just love this palette in general because the colors just make green eyes pop. I just think it's so pretty, and I was able to create a really pretty look. So far, I really love this palette. I have not tried any of the other ones, so let me know down below in the description box if you guys want me to do looks on every single palette, and I definitely would do that for you guys. 15 bucks. If you were to get one palette, I would recommend this one only because this is the only one I've used and I really like it. So I hope that this video was somewhat helpful. Let me know if you guys want to see any other looks. So that completes this video, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.